I just finished my latest round of quarantine, which puts my total days spent in quarantine so far to 46. Now that I'm free, the first thing I want to do in Seoul is this is my first time searching for this in Seoul, so I'm super excited. It's not much further, so let's keep going. I love Korean food, so much so, it's one of the major reasons why I moved to Korea. But today, that's not what I'm searching for. I'm looking for authentic Thai food here in Seoul, and I think I found it. Introducing Yamitai. It's hard to find authentic Thai food in Korea because ingredients just aren't readily available, and many Thai restaurants cater to Korean tastes. But Yamitai is a Thai Select designated restaurant, which means they stay true to traditional Thai ways of cooking. The Thai owner sources her vegetables and herbs from a Thai farmer here in Korea and prides herself on sharing the joys of authentic Thai cuisine. So how was it? I'll put it like this. Despite Thailand currently experiencing a near complete lockdown, the food is so delicious, it inspired me to go back. I'll see you in Bangkok.